Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to do a real quick review on the trade that I took a few hours ago during the New York session. So yeah, let's just get into it. So going into the day, I was looking at possible bearish price action. Whether that's when CPI released, it dropped down and took out all these equal lows. And this LRLR right here formed yesterday. Or we ran up and took out all these buy stops. These high time frame buy stops on the 4-hour right here, all this LRLR right here, before dropping lower and targeting those lows, right? So I just took whatever market was telling me, whatever was giving me. So as you see right here, we have this large BISI right here on the 15-minute, and mark that out, right? And then trying to look for shorts somewhere in here to retrace into this M15 BISI, but once price actually tagged into this 15-minute BISI, I was not looking for shorts anymore. That's just not very smart. If you are in a high time frame PD array, high time frame BISI in this instance, you do not want to be looking for shorts, right? You want to wait until it's disrespected to look for shorts, or you want to look for it to be respected to switch your bias and look for longs, and that's exactly what happened. So as you see right here, we see the consequent encroachment here. This middle line, consequent encroachment was wicked, and there's a strong close above it, right? So there's a strong rejection candle right here on the 15-minute. Waited for this strong rejection candle to actually close to confirm that we would not close over the consequent encroachment. And once this happened, I started to look for longs, right? So as you see right here, this is the data high from CPI release. So CPI 830. This is the data high from CPI release. So data high, CPI, right? So this is my main target right here. This is my final TP. And then here is the equal highs. So there's a lot of liquidity built up in this area. So my conviction was pretty strong that price would continue higher. Let's go to the equal highs. This was my partial level where I took my partial. So those are the two levels right here, looking for price to push up into after seeing this strong rejection candle. So as you can see right here, we have sell side liquidity taken. This is my model. Sell side liquidity taken, and then very clean, very textbook fair value gap right here. Only one as well, so it was a perfect setup for me. And it's exactly what I was looking for. And then we got strong displacement through, and we did not take a while to close over this. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles until it was closed when it was inside of this fair value gap. So it took about 4 minutes for once price actually tapped into the fair value gap for it to get closed over. That's pretty solid, especially looking at this momentum and speed. It was looking pretty bullish. And backing up a little bit, you can see that this is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or also known as powers 3. So we have accumulation right here, accumulation of buy stops and sell stops. Price ran all of these sell stops in this instance, ran all the sell stops. We manipulated lower, took out all these people that were trying to go long into the data highs and the equal highs, stopped all of them out, and then price pushed up higher for the distribution. So this is the part where I got in, inverse fair value gap, entered on the close of it, put my stop loss right here at this bottom for about $260 stop loss. Put my take profit up here at the CPI for about 1 to 7 or 1.7, 1.8 RR, and targeting about 50 points. So this is my break-even level right here. There's no real significant. I mean, I could have done. If I'd done this right here, that would have been super early break even. That wouldn't have worked. Could have done this one. This would have worked. I would have put my break even like at this level right here, and I would have barely scalped that. Not scalped it, but I would have been very close to getting stopped out right here. But I wouldn't have. But I want to look at more of the significant levels of price. So I want to look at the easy to see areas of liquidity, right? So this is very obvious for me. Instead of looking at these little highs right here, I want to look at this really obvious high right here. So this was my break-even level. I did not break even at this once it tapped and create this equal high. I waited until price actually swept that area. So created these equal highs, and then price ran up, took it out. This is where I put my stop to break even. So risk-free trade. Price ran up, took my equal highs out, my partial. So I took one contract off, and then I'm still testing with this and messing around with it. But once I took that partial off, there was an inversion fair value gap. I entered one more contract right here. Let me show you real quick on the micro Nasdaq.
So why not refresh your home with a little help from Blinds.com? Blinds.com invented a better way to shop for custom window treatments. There's no pushy salespeople in your home or inflated showroom
My fault,
prices.
guys.
Free samples, free shipping, and our 100% satisfaction.
All right, so yeah, as you can see right now, we're up 5,200. Yeah, so
Shop
right here,
Blinds.com
go
now
to the
and
executions.
save up to
Executions
40%
are on.
up to 40% off at
Let's go to the
Blinds.com.
1 minute, and this is where I bought and sold, right? So as you can see, look on the right chart right now. I entered one more. I sold one contractor here at the partial level, and then looking at the right side of the graph, I bought one right here after it inversed. Right, once I saw a strong close, I bought one more contract, let it ride, and then I exited at the CPI data high. So not a terrible trade today. So not a bad trade. Made about 400 and I think 20 or 413. Slowly but surely, we're making our way up. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed today's recap, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Peace out.